So guys, today's a pretty sad day. Bubbles, whenever he was born to 2017, passed this morning. He didn't have any water. He didn't have any food. Skittles was the one who killed Bubbles. They're making his bird. Bubbles and Skittles are making his birds. Now McKenna's one of McKenna's birds. Bubble is dead. By noon, which is now, I checked to see if how many birds there were. One was on the ground, the other on a perch. The other had eyes open. The one that was on the perch had eyes open. The one on the ground had eyes closed. So, Bubbles is dead because of Skittles. Man, we really should have separated Bubbles and Skittles. Like this if you cry everything. Subscribe if you cry everything. And yeah. It could have been Skittles. Alright guys, I'll put an update.